In this video, we are going to explore the top 20 new Turkish series released in 2024 and 2025. Starting with number 1. Bir Zamanlar Istanbul. Bir Zamanlar Istanbul follows Ali, a final-year Turkish language student, who gets drawn into the mafia world and changes everything. At university, he meets Seher, a determined journalist, during a debate about whether crime is driven by society or personal choice. Their shared ideals bring them together, forming a strong bond. As they fight for justice, they challenge Istanbul's criminal underworld, disrupting the balance of power. Inspired by the legendary Koroglu, they become symbols of resistance against oppression. Their love and determination fuel their battle against the mafia, making them a force to be reckoned with. From university hallways to the dangerous streets of Istanbul, Ali and Seher's journey transforms them into a fearless duo. Their fight is not just personal but a revolution against those who control the city through crime. Number 2. Başka Bir Gün. Başka Bir Gün is a Turkish remake of Keeping Faith. The series follows Nehir, a successful lawyer who puts her career on hold to care for her children. She leads a seemingly perfect life with her husband, Sardar, until he mysteriously disappears without a trace. As Nehir searches for him, she uncovers shocking secrets about Sardar's past, realizing she never truly knew the man she married. The deeper she digs, the more she finds herself entangled in a dangerous web of lies, betrayal, and crime. With authorities offering little help and danger closing in, Nehir is forced to rely on her own instincts and intelligence. As she fights to protect her family and uncover the truth, she transforms from a devoted wife into a fearless woman willing to risk everything. The series blends intense family drama with mystery and suspense, exploring themes of love, deception, and resilience while keeping viewers on the edge of their seats. Number 3. Kardelener. The series follows Hicran and Arif, a devoted couple married for 50 years, who have sacrificed everything to raise their 5 children. Despite their unwavering love and values, their children's selfish decisions lead to heartbreak. During a long-awaited family reunion, Arif suffers a heart attack. On the way to the hospital, a tragic car accident kills their estranged son Onur and his wife, leaving Arif in a coma. Their other sons, Raji and Kahraman, betray the family by selling the house and abandoning Hicran in a nursing home. Left to fend for themselves, Hicran, her youngest son Chinar, and her grandchildren must navigate poverty and betrayal. As struggles mount, Hicran fights to keep her family together, proving that love and resilience can overcome even the deepest wounds. Number 4. Zembili. Zembili is a heartfelt drama set in a small town where traditional values blend with modern life. It follows the lives of 4 childhood friends who grew up together, sharing dreams, challenges, and deep bonds of friendship. As they navigate love, family struggles, and personal ambitions, they face both joyful and painful moments that test their loyalty and resilience. Through their intertwined stories, the series highlights the importance of brotherhood, love, and the pursuit of dreams, offering a touching exploration of relationships and the changing dynamics of a close-knit community. Zembili is a heartfelt drama that beautifully portrays love, brotherhood, and the struggles of a small-town community. With strong performances and a focus on values, it offers an engaging and meaningful story without relying on explicit content. Number 5. Shakir Pasha LAC. Set in 1912, this series tells the captivating story of a legendary Turkish artist family with outstanding art direction and a beautifully reconstructed setting. The series beautifully portrays the dramatic and tumultuous story of the Shakir Pasha family, an Ottoman dynasty rocked by scandal and strife. The story begins when Javad, the eldest son of retired Ottoman commander Shakir Pasha, returns from Oxford with his Italian wife, leading to tensions within the family. Javad's bohemian lifestyle and discontent with his father's conservative values clash with his father's military background. The situation takes a dramatic turn when Javad's wife becomes infatuated with Shakir Pasha, sparking a chain of events that will ultimately tear the family apart. As the decades unfold, the family members make their mark on the world. Javad Shakir, known as the Fisherman of Halicarnassus, becomes one of Turkey's most celebrated writers. His sisters, Fahrunnisa and Aliye, carve out their own legacies in the world of art, Fahrunnisa becoming an internationally renowned painter and Aliye the first female engraver in Turkey. Their personal struggles, including a tragic love affair, add depth to their remarkable careers. The series also explores the lives of later generations, including Fureya Korel, Turkey's first ceramic artist. Through its mix of scandal, creativity, and historical significance, the series brings the extraordinary contributions of the Shakir Pasha family to life. However, while the storytelling is compelling, the series suffers from uneven performances, particularly from the child actors, which detracts from the emotional depth. Despite these flaws, the series succeeds in highlighting the family's remarkable contributions and historical significance. Number 6. Jan Burju. Mehmet, a devoted lawyer, is forced to confront his painful past when his estranged daughter, Doga, struggles with deep loneliness, blaming him for her mother's absence. Rushing to comfort her, he accidentally hits Selil with his car, leading to an unexpected turn of events that intertwines their families. Handan, a devoted mother of 3, has spent years enduring the struggles of marriage, still deeply in love with her husband despite his coldness. However, her world changes when she uncovers Selil's long-hidden affair with his boss, Emil, a complicated relationship driven by manipulation and secrets. As Handan fights to keep her family together, her brother-in-law Yasser exposes the affair for financial gain, adding to the turmoil. Meanwhile, Mehmet, weighed down by guilt and responsibility, finds himself drawn into Handan's struggles, owing her a debt he can never repay. The collision of these two families leads to a tangled web of emotions, trust, and redemption, forcing them to navigate heartbreak and unexpected alliances. As hidden truths come to light, love and pain intertwine, testing the strength of their souls. Amid challenges and emotional wounds, bonds are formed in the most unexpected ways, proving that even in difficult times, there is a path to healing. Number 7. Anne Ankara, My Mother's Tale. Set in 1990s Ankara, this series follows Juhal Soydasli, a resilient mother of 3, who faces the collapse of her world when she discovers her husband Hassan's infidelity. Hassan, an emotionally stunted man shaped by his troubled past, struggles with his own demons while Juhal fights to rebuild her life for the sake of her children. Her journey is one of heartbreak, strength, and survival in the face of societal and familial pressures. As Juhal tries to piece her life back together, her eldest son Burak witnesses unsettling truths about his father, creating a rift in their relationship. Meanwhile, Najna, Hassan's mistress, refuses to let go, leading to a tangled web of confrontations. Juhal finds solace and support from her sister Azel, who helps her regain her footing, but new challenges test her resolve at every step. The series blends personal struggles with a nostalgic 90s backdrop, highlighting themes of resilience, family bonds, and a mother's undying love amidst betrayal and chaos. Number 8. Sahib Sizzler, 6 of Us. Sahib Sizzler is the latest Hajal Subasi series, which follows the story of 6 siblings Azize, Jemo, Zleha, Fidan, Samet, and Baleem, who after the sudden death of their parents, are forced to navigate life alone. Their tragedy begins with their parents' forbidden love story in Mardin, where Arfat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but she is kidnapped by Yavuz, the son of a wealthy family. After enduring abuse, Bala escapes with Arfat, and they build a peaceful life in the forest, raising their children away from society. However, Yavuz's obsessive revenge shatters their happiness when he finds and attacks them. The children are left orphaned and flee to Istanbul, where they face the harsh realities of the city. With nowhere to go, they seek refuge with Uncle Aslan, a trusted friend of their late father. The siblings must survive on the dangerous streets of Istanbul, evading threats from both criminals and authorities. Azize, the eldest sister, becomes the pillar of strength for the younger children, taking on the responsibility of protecting them. As they struggle to adapt to the vast, unknown city, their bond as a family is their only source of hope and survival. The series explores themes of resilience, survival, and the unbreakable ties of family. Number 9. Uzak Sahir, Distant City. Uzak Sahir is an adaptation of the popular Lebanese series Al-Heba. The series follows Alia Albora, who arrives in Mardin from Canada with her late husband's funeral and their young son to fulfill her husband's final wish. Her arrival, however, marks the beginning of an irreversible journey, trapping her within the powerful and dangerous Albora tribe. Sihan Albora, the head of the tribe, is sympathetic to Alia's struggles but refuses to allow her to leave with her child. As Alia grapples with the darkness of the past, hidden family secrets, and the brutal realities of the region, she finds herself at odds with her late husband's family. The show delves into the tension between Alia and the powerful Albora clan, where old grudges and complex relationships complicate her mission. Caught between the love for her son and the violent world she's now trapped in, Alia must navigate a life she never expected. In a setting filled with danger, betrayal, and power struggles, Alia faces a fierce battle for her freedom and the future of her child. As she unravels long-buried secrets, Alia must decide whether she can break free from the clutches of the Albora family or if she will be consumed by it. The series explores themes of family, loyalty, and survival in a harsh, unforgiving environment. Number 10. Kor Nokta. Kor Nokta is a gripping series that delves into the aftermath of a devastating car accident. Aslim, a promising lawyer, and Jehan, her childhood sweetheart, find their lives irrevocably changed when Aslim survives the crash but loses her memory. Geje, Aslim's best friend, becomes entangled in a web of lies and deceit, complicit in hiding the true culprit behind the accident. As the truth slowly unravels, the series explores themes of love, betrayal, and justice. The once harmonious lives of Aslim and Jehan are shattered as they struggle to navigate their newfound reality. Geje, torn between loyalty and guilt, faces a moral dilemma. The accident serves as a catalyst for a war between the two couples as they grapple with the consequences of their actions and the secrets they harbor. Number 11. Kara Dutt. This series follows Johal Erdem, a successful personal development expert, leads a double life. At work, she is the confident consultant on love, but at home, she is bound by her strict father Cheti's rules. After losing her mother at 17, she dedicated herself to raising her 3 sisters, Faijan, Asli, and Begum, while living a life dictated by her father's obsessive control. Her vow to keep her mother's memory alive traps her in chronic loneliness, especially as Asli prepares for her wedding. When fate brings Stefan into her life, Juhal feels an undeniable connection but struggles against her feelings and loyalty to her father. Stefan, intrigued by her resistance, seeks to understand her deeper struggles. As their relationship develops, an unexpected tragedy forces Juhal to confront the truth behind her vow. Ultimately, she must choose between her family's expectations and her own happiness, setting her on a transformative journey of love and self-discovery. Number 12. Gujl Ashklar Diyari. In the enchanting backdrop of Cappadocia, Arhan Alja, heir to a wealthy family, falls for Deniz Dervishoglu, a spirited doctor from Izmir. Their love story takes a twist when Arhan brings Deniz home to meet his family, where hidden secrets begin to unravel. Just as Deniz imagines a future with Arhan, she discovers that he is already engaged due to a promise made between their families, a commitment he never wanted. Devastated, she plans to leave, but Arhan stops her, declaring his love and intent to marry her. Their joy is short-lived, as a wedding night shrouded in tragedy strikes when Arhan's brother Jamil is shot. Now, amid family turmoil and danger, Arhan and Deniz must confront the truth, find the culprit, and navigate the challenges that threaten to tear them apart. Their love, once a beacon of hope, is tested like never before. This series captivates its viewers with its emotional depth and stunning performances, particularly highlighting the poignant relationship between Rosa and Jamil. However, some viewers like myself found the plot of this series very predictable, but I wish for a stronger focus on character development in the upcoming episode. Number 13. Yan Order. In Yan Order, TV presenter Sevgi and wealthy businessman Fikret get married, shocking their families. Despite past unhappy marriages, they seek happiness together. However, merging their drastically different families under one roof proves challenging. Conflicts arise as they navigate this new dynamic, especially affecting their children, Talin and Shelale. As tensions escalate, unforeseen complications threaten their newfound union. With each episode promising drama and revelation, Yandaki Order delves into the complexities of family, love, and second chances. Starring Sehwal Sam and Jaina Jindoruk, this series captivates viewers with its star-studded cast and compelling storyline. Number 14. Yalan, The Lie. Yalan follows Mileki, who spent 20 years in prison, sacrificing her freedom for her daughter. Released early, she discovers that her life outside is built on a lie. Her sister Hulya and brother-in-law Cengiz sold her daughter Hajal for money, giving her to the wealthy Aksoy family. Milek's daughter, now named Duru, was raised as the Aksoy's own child. As Mileki uncovers these truths, tension erupts within the family. Hulya and Cengiz introduce another girl, Hajal, as Mileki's daughter to keep the deception alive. Caught in this web of lies, Mileki must navigate her way through betrayal and deceit to reunite with her real daughter and reclaim her life. Number 15. Korkma Ben Yenindem. Korkma Ben Yandem revolves around Inji, who earns a scholarship to a prestigious school where her mother works. Her family pins hopes on her academic success, aiming for a medical career. However, when Insi unexpectedly discovers she's expecting a baby, her life takes a dramatic turn. The series delves into the repercussions of her expecting a baby, leading to her ostracization and scandal. It explores the complexities of family dynamics and the impact of Inji's choices on her loved ones and community. Through Inji's journey, the show confronts themes of shame, regret, and the challenges of adolescence, offering a poignant exploration of family relationships and personal growth. Number 16. Bir Geje Masali, The Nightfall. Bir Geje Masali unfolds the intense and forbidden love story between Mahir, a police commissioner, and Janfaja, a beautiful Yoruk girl. Mahir's father, Commissioner Mehmet, was murdered years ago by Janfaja's father, Kurshad Kilimji, a wealthy businessman with a hidden criminal record. This tragic event has cast a long shadow over Mahir's life. As fate intertwines their paths, Turkish intelligence seeks to capture Kürşat for his illegal activities. Despite Kürşat's plan to marry Canfeza off to a criminal, Mahir is determined to be with her. The series explores whether Mahir be able to marry Canfeza, unknowingly that her father was the one who killed Mahir's father. Set against the enchanting landscapes of Pamukkale and the opulent mansion in Istanbul, Bir Gece Masali promises a gripping tale of love and redemption. With a beautiful cinematography and wonderful cast, this series is a must-watch. Number 17. Gijli Behche. Demir Akçınar, a wealthy and powerful man, discovers that his late brother had a son named Memo. Determined to gain custody, Demir clashes with Memo's mother, Najli, a young, struggling single mom trying to provide a decent life for her son despite society's harshness. Upon learning about Najli's profession, Demir becomes convinced she's unfit to raise Memo and begins a fierce legal battle. However, Najli is not the person Demir assumes. She harbors a secret that could change everything. As the custody fight intensifies, hidden family secrets and betrayals within the Akçınar household come to light. The growing tension between Najli and Demir brings them closer, complicating their relationship in unexpected ways. Memo's bond with Najli remains unshakable despite the pressure and instability around them. The Akçınar family's wealth contrasts with the warmth and love between Najli and Memo, exposing the emotional emptiness in Demir's life. The strained dynamic between Demir and Najli creates unforgettable moments, especially during their intense confrontations. In the end, the story explores love, sacrifice, and the true meaning of family in ways that defy societal expectations. Before going further, if you are enjoying this video so far, then please give it a like if you want to see more content like this. Number 18. Leela, Hayat Aşk Adalet. The series begins with Leela, who was very young when her father, Hilmi, marries Nur, a beautiful woman who had cared for Leela's late mother. Hilmi is blind to the torment that Nur inflicts on Leela, turning their home into a living nightmare. The situation worsens until Hilmi realizes too late that Nur is far from the loving stepmother she pretended to be, and he pays the ultimate price with his life. Left homeless and devastated, and now Leela vows to take revenge on Nur for destroying her family. Years later, Leela returns disguised as Ella, a skilled chef hired by Nur, who now lives luxuriously with her new partner, former football star Tufo. Complications arise when Leela's childhood protector, Gino, reappears in her life as Jeevan, Nur's adopted son. As Leela's quest for revenge intersects with her rekindled feelings for Jeevan, deep-seated family secrets begin to surface. The story unfolds as Leela confronts her past, battling both her desire for vengeance and the unexpected emotions that arise. Number 19. Kalpaza, the Counterfeiter. The series centers on Adem, an honest clerk at the mint, who attempts to surprise his young son, Arda, with a seemingly innocent gesture. This well-meaning act spirals into chaos, jeopardizing his job, marriage to Jana, and even his relationship with Arda. Amidst this turmoil, Adem's cunning brother, Kartal, arrives and further complicates matters with his reckless behavior and charm. The brothers engage in illegal activities that push them deeper into trouble, drawing the attention of the law. Police officer Aisha, dedicated and perceptive, becomes a significant obstacle in their path. However, an unexpected romance blossoms between Aisha and Kartal, creating a complex web of emotions and conflicts. As the brothers challenge authority and navigate their troubled lives, Ayşe's love for Kartal introduces an intriguing twist that could either save or doom them all. The series explores themes of family loyalty, the consequences of seemingly harmless decisions, and the intricate dynamics between love and law. Number 20. Siyakalp. This series follows Sumru, who abandoned her children, Melik and Noor, at a young age and built a new life, marrying Samet, one of Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen. She now enjoys a luxurious lifestyle with the children she had with Samet but has hidden plans regarding Zihan, Samet's son from his first marriage. Melik and Noor, determined to confront their mother, embark on a journey to find her. Along the way, their paths unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his unwilling fiancée, Seville. As these lives intertwine, buried family secrets, love, revenge, and passion come to the surface. The story unfolds in the picturesque yet turbulent setting of Cappadocia. With tensions rising, Sumru's choices threaten to unravel both her past and present. Melik and Noor seek answers, but Sumru's schemes complicate their mission. Meanwhile, Jihan faces his own struggles as he navigates family pressure and a forced engagement. All these characters are caught in a whirlwind of betrayal and desires that could change their lives forever. The series tries to blend family secrets, revenge, and romance but falls into predictable soap opera clichés. Miscasting, awkward chemistry, and an unrealistic portrayal of the twins hurt the story's believability. So that was the video, friends, but if you are interested in learning about more Turkish series like this, then please click here.